Question number 13. The figure below shows a rectangular container of dimension 40, 25 and 90. A cylindrical pipe of radius 7.5 centimeter is fitted in the container as shown. So we have the diagram there. We have the pipe. Water is poured into the container in the space outside the pipe such that the water level is 80% of the height of the container. Calculate that is 80%. Calculate the amount of water in liters in the container correct to three significant figures. So it means that for us to be able to get the volume of water 80%, we have to subtract the volume of the pipe because it is not being occupied by water. And for us to be able to do that, first of all, we need to get the volume of the container. The volume, you minus the volume of the pipe. So this will be the volume of the container is 90 multiplied by that is we can start. Let's start with the 40 multiplied by 25. You multiply by 90. That's the volume, the total volume of the container. You subtract the volume of the pipe, which is the base area 22/7 multiply pi r squared. That is the r is 7.5 squared. You multiply by the height, which is 90. So when you work out that using the calculator, you should be able to get 90,000. You subtract this will give you 15,910. We can put one decimal place, and when you subtract that, you get it is 74 using your calculator. Points not point but 74. That is 0.89 and 89 point. We put one decimal place, and that will give us 3. Now that is the volume of the tank. Subtract when we take away the volume of the pipe. So this means that we can be able to get 80% of this. 80% is equals to implies that it will be now 74. What we have got there, 74 0.89. 89.3. Then you should be able to multiply by 80 divide by 100, and when you multiply that, you should be able to get 59 271.4. These are centimeter cube, and we are told to express in terms of liters, and therefore for us to do that, we divide this by 1,000. You divide by 1,000 because one centimeter cube is equal to 1,000, and that should give you 59.3 liters, because we are told to three significant figures. Three significant figures, you take 59. The next number is 2. That is 59.2. The next number is 7. So we add 1 to 2. We get that. We get that is 59.3. And this is to 3 decimal places. So that's how you work out that, and you get 4 marks. Let's see the distribution of marks. So for the distribution of marks, you get 1 mark there. For getting the differences in volume, you get another mark there. For getting 80%, you get 1 mark for converting to liters, and finally you get a mark for getting the answer to 3 significant figures. So that's how you marks will be awarded.